In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in CapCut on PC. Whether you're working on a creative project or simply trying to make the interface more accessible for yourself, knowing how to switch the language in CapCut can save you time and reduce frustration. CapCut is a powerful video editing tool, and customizing it to fit your preferences is one way to get the most out of it. So let's walk through the steps together, one at a time. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently navigate the CapCut interface in your preferred language. If you're new to CapCut and don't already have the desktop application installed, you'll find a download link in the description below to get started. First, open the CapCut desktop application. To do this, simply double-click on the CapCut icon on your desktop. If you don't see it there, you can find it in your programs list by searching for CapCut. This ensures you're using the desktop version of the software, not the mobile app or the website. Keep in mind, the application might take a moment to load, especially if you're running multiple programs on your computer at the same time. So don't worry if it doesn't open instantly, just give it a few seconds. Once the application is open, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the CapCut window. This icon represents the settings menu where you can adjust various customization options for the app. Clicking on this gear icon will open the settings menu, giving you access to all the adjustable features of CapCut, including the language settings we're looking for. Now, inside the settings menu, look for the label that shows the current language. Depending on your current setup, it might say something like English, Espanol, or it could even appear in Chinese characters. This label is what you'll need to interact with to change the language. Click on the language label, and a drop-down menu will appear, displaying all the supported languages available in CapCut. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find your preferred language. Once you spot it, click on it to select it. This step is essential because changing the language helps make the interface more accessible and tailored to your needs. After selecting your preferred language, you'll be prompted to restart the application. This step is necessary because restarting ensures that the language change is applied across all menus, tool types, and labels in the interface. Before you restart, make sure to save any projects or work you currently have open. If you skip this step, you risk losing unsaved progress. Once you're ready, go ahead and follow the restart prompt. Now that the application has been closed, relaunch CapCut just as you did earlier. When the app reopens, you'll notice that the interface has been updated to the language you selected. This change will apply to all aspects of the software, making it easier for you to navigate and work on your projects. And that's how you change the language in CapCut on PC. By following these steps, you can customize your editing experience to suit your preferences. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below so we can help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.